Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you all the basic features of OBS Studio, a free and open source video recording software and live streaming platform for Windows, Mac and Linux. From what I've experienced, this program is not too complicated to use as many warnings from other YouTubers. In fact, it's a very straightforward program and powerful enough for screencasting if you don't have a budget for purchasing a paid software. If you want to learn more about this program, go ahead to obsproject.com to read all the detailed specification of OBS Studio. Link to this website is in the description. Before diving into the detailed tutorial, I wanted to give you my thoughts on this program, what I like and what I don't like about OBS Studio. Firstly, it's a completely free program, meaning you can use all the features without any limitation. That's including no watermark, no time limit on your recording or streaming. Added to that, there are a bunch of advanced options which you can only get in professional screen recording suites such as chroma key features, color correction tools or the ability to apply LUTs to your videos. But, there are something that I don't like about OBS Studio is the lack of video editing features, and the existing features are kind of basic ones. Most importantly, when we have any problem with the programs, we need to figure out the solution ourselves. Alright, let's getting started with my tutorial. Here you are at the user interface of OBS Studio once you launch the program. At the center of the screen is the display canvas where the program shows you what will be captured. At the bottom on the right is the main features such as start recording, stop recording and program settings. In the middle is the audio recording options where you select record system sound, audio from your microphone, etc. On the left side are the scene options which you can access to add screen capture, game capture or other stuff in OBS Studio. Before starting your recording, I highly recommend that you check the basic settings of the program so that you know which video output will be captured as well as where your recording will be saved. To access program settings, you can click this setting function, or go to File menu and select Settings. It will have the same result. In the Settings tab, you can click on General, and select the language for your interface. You can also change the theme of the interface too. I would prefer dark theme, so I will leave it as default. In Streaming tab, you can set up your streaming platform and paste your streaming key here to start a live streaming on YouTube with OBS Studio. One more important thing you should take a look in the Setting tab is the video output settings. Here's where your recording will be saved. And select the output format of your recording. If you're going to upload to YouTube, MP4 is one of the options you can select. Finally, go to the Video tab, and select the resolution for your recording. Recommended resolution for uploading to YouTube is 1080p quality, and the FPS can be 30 if you're going to make software tutorial like what I am doing now. Finally, click Apply to go back to OBS Studio and start your first recording. Click this plus icon at the scene window. You will see different recording options in OBS Studio. For example, I will start a display capture, meaning that I will record everything on the screen. Click OK to create a new capture. Now the display canvas is showing you what will be captured. But the recording is not started yet. Right here you can select second monitor if you're working with multiple display screen. I have only one monitor, it's not shown here. Uncheck this box if you don't want to capture your mouse cursor. You can turn on and off audio recording in this area. When everything is okay, click Start Recording on the right menu. Now everything happening on your computer screen will be recorded. One thing you'll be notice that OBS Studio does not has countdown function to notify you that the recording is started. Once you've finished your recording, go back to OBS Studio interface and hit Stop Recording. Now you can find your recording by going to File menu, click Show Recording. This is the recording I've just made. Let's preview the quality of the recording. I can see that the quality of the recording is clean, no frame drop is detected. It has the same quality with the video I recorded with my screen recording software. Let's try a new window capture with OBS Studio to see how it works. To start a window capture, click the plus icon again. Select Window Capture from the drop-down menu. Then select the window you want to capture. For example, I can record my video editing program as an example. Click Start Recording to begin. Now I can open my video editing program and start the work. When finished, I can go back to stop the recording. Go to File, Show Recording to see the result as normally. It's just what I need. Alright, that's my basic tutorial about OBS Studio. There are many other cool features in OBS Studio such as color correction, chroma key or streaming options which will be covered in my next tutorial videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss it. That's the end of my today's video. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.
So welcome to my channel.